What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today I am out here doing our speaker shootout where we're actually installing 16 speakers in the wall in Houston, Texas, at that home theater dude's house. This is a little sneak peek. If you guys aren't subscribed to the That Home Theater Dude YouTube channel, go over there and smash that subscribe button as well. He's gonna be building this whole room into a full-blown, insane home theater that I can't really give you too much information about right now. It's very secretive, but you are going to enjoy it. Anyways, this is about the 3 different types of in-wall speakers. We basically have standard installation, we got a 2-piece design speaker installation, and then we have toolless speaker installation. So I'm gonna show you how these 3 different methods and manufacturers utilize these different methods on this side over here where we haven't installed it yet. So if you guys aren't subscribed to the channel already, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Let's get into this video. Okay guys, so we're gonna start out first with the standard installation speaker. We're gonna be using the ELAC. This is the V62 model, the IW V62. And you can see over here, I've already installed one, but what I mean by standard is that it just has these dog ears on it that come out and clamp onto the sheetrock, and you screw it in with a Phillips screwdriver. So I'm gonna start by just making my connections here on the back. Very simple, black to black, red to red. Now, with a standard in-wall speaker installation, you do have to be careful not to snap off the ears on the back. So with any of these models, you are going to want a level. It's important that you level the speaker. So some speakers require a long travel for that screw to actually clamp to the sheetrock, and some of them clip on really quick, so you gotta be careful. Now that was an ELAC speaker, and the ELAC speakers that we have as part of this audio demo are both like that. Now this is a 2-piece design. This is gonna have 2 separate pieces to it, and if you're an installer, this just makes you look like a pro, and if you're DIYing it, it makes it super easy. I'm pretty obsessed with how easy this is. It's kind of a toss-up between this and the faux cow, which one's easier, but both toolless. Okay, so on this episode speaker, this is a signature series. You're gonna pop out the middle piece like that, and you're gonna install the back ring first, like so. It's pretty cool, guys. Check this out. So, boom, 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 boom. I mean, if you're in a customer's home, you're gonna look like an absolute animal installing these, because you can just go through the whole house. Pop, 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 pop. it's pretty impressive.
Yeah, it's a magic trick.
It's a magic trick for sure. And then we're gonna make our connections. Now, on this particular video, I'm not sure if I mentioned it, so I'll say it again. We are in business to sell products. So if you guys want to purchase anything home theater related, any of the equipment you see here, we are an authorized nationwide dealer with free shipping, guys. And we have free estimates and a free consultation service. So if it could get any easier, or if they wanted to make it any harder on us, they could have, but look at this. It's sitting in the retro ring, or the back box, and all you do is go doot, 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 doot. Your speaker's installed. So that's gonna be your second type of in-wall speaker. In-wall speakers have come a long way from back in the day. I got into this business like 10 years ago.
They used to all be like this.
Yeah, this was the standard. And some of them were a lot worse than even this model here, to where those dog ears would just snap off left and right, leaving speakers kind of hanging, which was not cool. So we've really come a long way. Now, the next one is gonna be this focal speaker. Let me find it. It's on the ground somewhere. Here it is. So the last one is gonna be this toolless one-piece design, and this is absolutely just insanely easy as well. You snap back all of these toggles. Focal right now is my favorite speaker line. I mean, I heard these the other day in a full 724 system, and they sounded phenomenal. And they're easy to install. Quality manufacturer from France. Everything's manufactured in-house. I'm super stoked, to say the least, about this speaker manufacturer. But yeah, very, very crisp. Anyways, so I put back all of the toggles there. And then I'm gonna make my connections just like the other speakers. Yeah, the whole Dreamedia team is pretty excited about these guys. So then with this one here, you just go, whoop, boom. Could it be any easier? I don't know. Which one would you say is easier, Chris?
That one.
Yeah, I mean,
I saw him do it on this one. I was obviously paying attention over here whenever he was doing it right now, but that is, you just bang it on in and you're done.
And check this out too. You could just pull the whole speaker out like that. I mean, it's pretty clever what they did. Let me see if I can more smoothly bang this in.
That's a magic trick for sure.
I mean, it's pretty cool, and it's very high quality, this speaker here. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This is our 3 different types of speaker installations. You know, here at Dreamedia, we offer a lot of different manufacturers, and I just thought it was a unique opportunity to point out the different type of speaker installations. All of these are a little bit different. So if you guys look over here, you can see the ones that are already installed. The Martin Logans, for you guys that are considering these different options that we're about to use in our shootout, these Martin Logans have a very standard installation procedure, just like I showed you on the ELACs, where you just screw them in. You got to be careful not to break those clamps off on the back, the dog ears, and they're going to be the same on the Installer series as well as the Motion series. And then you have the ELACs, which I showed you are just standard installation as well. The Episode Core series, same thing, standard installation. Focal 100 series, standard installation, whereas these are a little bit more premium offerings. Honestly, it's shocking that they have this type of installation procedure in place for the Signature series, because these are only 359 bucks each, whereas these Focals, I kind of expect something a little bit more sophisticated like this, because they are up at $790 per speaker. And these are retail prices that I'm giving you guys. I hope that this helped you guys make an educated buying decision on your next set of speakers, whether it's 2-channel, distributed audio, home theater. We have all the industry leading manufacturers to choose from, and here he comes again, that home theater dude. We have all the industry-leading manufacturers to choose from, and we ship throughout the entire nation with a free consultation service. Our guys will create a package that fits your exact needs and budget. Just reach out and show your support. And if you don't want to install yourself, we have the installers that can put these into your wall for you, run all of the wiring and make sure that it's all calibrated and set up properly. So don't hesitate to reach out today, guys. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below for more. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching. Oh my gosh, is that the Dreamedia van in my neighborhood? What? Wait! Dreamedia, come back!